Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is a video on beams solved by flexibility method. For the beam shown, determine the vertical reactions at A and C. EI is constant, analyzed by the flexibility method. So here is the given beam. This is indeterminate to the first degree. So let's make the support be the reaction at B or moment at B as the redundant first. So for the diagram, we treat each segment of the beam as simply supported. So for the moment of the loading on AB, 30 times 3 is 90 over EI. All this will be over EI. So since moment at A is 0, the moment due to the reaction at B is also 90 over EI, just like that. Then we have moment due to the loading, which is 30 times 6, 180 times 3, 540 over EI second degree. And therefore, the moment due to the reaction at the other end should also be 540 over EI. Then I'll call this theta B left, the sign convention. Then this is the moment center due to the unit couple applied positively. So the reaction here is 1 over 6, 1 over 6 times 6, so 1 over EI. Likewise, if we apply a clockwise couple, positive, this reaction would be 1 over 8. 1 over 8 times 8, so 1 over EI. So that's the moment center. And I'll call this FB left and FB right. These are force coefficients from flexibility method. So to solve for theta B left, we sum up moments about the left of this segment equals 0. So theta B left times 6 plus 1 half of 6 times 90 over EI times 2 equals 1 half of 3 times 90 times 1. I'll just remove EI, but theta B left should be in terms of EI. So theta B left is negative 67.5 over EI. Likewise, to solve for theta B right, we consider the right segment. We sum up moments about the right. Theta B right times 8 plus 1 half of 8 times 540 times 8 thirds moment arm equals 1 third, because this is second degree, of 6 times 540 times 6 over 4 moment arm. 6 over 4. Simplifying, theta B right is negative 517.5 over EI. Therefore, theta B is theta B left plus theta B right. This is not the slope at B. This is just the combined slopes at B if we treat both segments of the beam as simply supported. But remember, the original beam is continuous. So next, we compute these force coefficients. FB left, considering the left segment, FB left times 6, we sum up moment about the left, plus 1 half of 6 times 1 over EI, moment arm is 4, equals 0. So FB left is equal to negative 2 over EI. Likewise, considering the right segment, FB right, summation moment about the right, FB right times 8 plus 1 half of 8 times 1 times 16 over 3 moment arm centroid to the right end equals 0. So FB right is negative 8 thirds, 8 over 3 EI. Therefore, the force coefficient FBB is FB left plus FB right, and that is equal to negative 14 over 3 EI. So the equation, compatibility equation, is equal to FBB times MB plus theta B equals 0. FBB MB plus theta B equals 0. Substituting, negative 14 over 3 MB, then negative 585 over EI equals 0. Cancel out EI, solve for MB. MB is equal to negative 125.357 kilonewton meter. Having found MB, we apply it over B as shown, considering segment AB. Summation moments about B equals 0, clockwise positive RA times 6 equals negative 125.357 plus 30 times 3. So R sub A is negative 5.893 kilonewtons. Then likewise, considering BC, summation of moments about B equals 0, counterclockwise positive R sub C times 8 equals negative 125.357 plus 30 times 6 times 3 plus 2, 5. Solving for RC equals 96.83 kilonewtons. So that's it for this part. So for this second problem, there are two redundants. And again, we make the moments at B and C as the redundants by flexibility method. So we now construct the moment diagram by parts as shown. So with B as the one redundant, another redundant is C. So we have here moment due to the loading 36 times 4 times 2 to 88 over EI. It is second degree. So the moment due to the reaction at left end A with its spin, so it should be 0, so it should be equal to the moment, so that the moment at A is 0. So 288 over EI. Likewise, for segment BC, moment due to the load 40 times 2 is 80, so that must also be 80 over EI. Remember that each segment of the beam is considered simply supported, that the moments at the ends would be 0, as well as at point B, because this is treated simply supported. Then for CD, so moment due to the loading 40 times 3 is 120, so due to the reaction 120 over 1 over EI, supposedly EI, we just imagine EI is 1. Then moment due to the loading couple 150, so this should also be negative 150. But because moment at due to this 30 kilonewton load at the overhanging end of the beam is negative 60, 30 times 2 is negative 60. Negative 150 and negative 60 would be negative 210 as shown here. So I hope you can follow that explanation. Then due to the unit couple, so imagine a unit couple counterclockwise at the left, clockwise at the right, that's positive couple. So we're making this as the moment center, same explanation as in problem 1. So this is 1 over EI. Then for C, making it the center, so this is also 1 over EI, applying unit positive couple at C. So that's 1 over EI. So we'll call this theta C left, theta C right. We have theta B left and theta B right there. And here we have F. Let's solve for theta B left first. I'm considering AB. Summation of moments about A 0, theta B left times 4 plus 1 half of 4 times 288 times moment arm 4 thirds equals 1 third of 4 times 288 moment arm 1, or 4 over 4. Simplifying, theta B left is equal to negative 96 over EI. Then considering BC, theta B right times 5 plus 1 half of 5 times 80 times 5 thirds equals 1 half of 2 times 80 times 2 thirds, moment arm 2 thirds. Simplifying, theta B right is equal to negative 56 over EI. Combining, theta B is equal to negative 152 over EI. Then we compute theta C left considering BC. Summation moments about B equals 0. Theta C left times 5 plus 1 half of 5 times 120 times 5 thirds equals 1 half of 3 times 120 times 1. So theta C left is equal to negative 64 over EI. Then considering segment CD, summation moments about D equals 0, theta C right times 6 plus 150 times 2 times 1, or 2 times 150 times 1 equals 1 half of 6 times 210 times moment arm 2. Theta C right is equal to 160 over EI. Then combining, theta C is equal to 96 over EI. Then let's solve for these force coefficients. Let's call this FB left and FB right here. So FB left times 4 plus 1 half of 4 times 1 of 1 times 8 thirds equals 0. So FB left is equal to negative 4 thirds, 4 over 3 EI. Then FB right, submission moments about the right. FB right times 5 plus 1 half of 5 times 1 times 10 thirds. 2 thirds of 5, 10 thirds equals 0. So FB right is equal to that value. So FBB is adding the 2. It's equal to that value. So next is FC left and FC right. So to solve for FCB, by the way, this is FCB, the force coefficient at C due to the unit load at B, FCB. So this time, instead of summation of moments, I just use summation forces Y. So FB right, which is equal to negative 5 thirds plus the area 1 half of 5 times 1 over EI plus FCB, considering this portion BC equals 0. So FCB is equal to that value. Negative 5, 6. Cancel 5. FCB 5 halves. 5 thirds minus 5 halves. So that's the value. I cannot see it because I cover my face in this video here. I just adjust this when I finalize the video. So we continue. We recall that we consider CD, summation moments about D0, FC right, times 6 plus 1 half of 6 times 1 times 4 equals 0. So FC right is equal to negative 2. Then FC left already solved. FC left plus FC right is FCC. So FCC is negative 11 over 3. Then the equations, compatibility equations to solve this problem, that is FBB plus FCB plus theta B equals 0. Then the second compatibility equation is FBC plus FCC plus theta C equals 0. And we recall that theta B is negative 152 over EI, theta C 96 over EI, FBB negative 3 over EI, FCB, which is equal to FBC by Maxwell's law on reciprocal deflections, negative 5 over 6 EI. Substitute into the equation. So we have negative 3 MB plus negative 56 MC minus 152 equals 0. So simplifying, 3 MB plus 56 MC equals negative 152. Call that equation 1. Then in the second equation, negative 56 MB plus negative 11 over 3 MC plus 96 equals 0. Simplifying, 56 MB plus 11 over 3 MC equals 96. Solving these two equations simultaneously, we get MB equals negative 61.844 kilonewtons meter and MC equals 40.237 kilonewton meter. Having found this, we apply it on the original beam and as well as the reactions. Let's consider AB to solve for reaction at A. Summation moment B equals 0. RA times 4 equals negative 61.844 plus 36 times 4 times 2. So R sub A is equal to 56.539 kilonewtons. Then considering A to C, summation moment C equals 0, RA, which is 56.539 times 9 plus RB times 5 equals 40.237 plus 40 times 2 plus 36 times 4 times 7. So R sub B is equal to that value there. So that's it for this video.